you want to eat today?
Pizza.
Pizza?
Yes. Why not?
No. So first of all, I am taking some salt.
In the what is that?
Oh yeah, I've taken like 3 cups of whole-purpose flour. I put some salt in it. I'm putting some red chili flakes, some garlic powder, and some Italian herbs. To this mixture, I'm going to add 1 spoon of yeast, rapid rice yeast. Excuse me.
That's okay in our recipe.
So I'm taking 1 spoon of rapid rice yeast and uh, 1 spoon of sugar and some oil. Take like half a cup of oil. I might add a little bit more if I need it, but I think for now this should be good.
And my mom's name is Kajal, and we forgot to say that we are making pizza.
Okay. And now, for now I'm just gonna mix this mixture, yeah.
And then after you mix
And I've taken some lukewarm water. Make sure it's lukewarm. We want yeast to ferment, and water needs to be like in a perfect temperature for that. I think I can take a little bit warm water. Once all the ingredients are mixed properly, spread the dough on some working surface, and you need to knead the dough for at least 8 to 10 minutes. Once the dough is kneaded, line the container with some oil and let the dough rest for around 40 to 50 minutes. Hi everyone, so it's been more than an hour and my dough has been resting and it has almost doubled up in size. And meanwhile, I also cut some of the vegetables as for toppings. So I have onions, mushrooms, bell peppers, jalapenos, and some olives. So I'm gonna put them inside. And now I'm gonna smoothen it up a little bit. Just give it a good knead. pizza sauce. I'm using a store-bought pizza sauce for today, and then I'm just gonna spread it lightly. Here I have some mozzarella cheese, so I'm just gonna spread gently on the pizza. I'll just put my vegetable toppings. So I'll go with onions. And once this is done, I'll again top it up with more cheese. So I think my pizza is ready to go in the oven. So once the oven heats up, I put it here for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Celsius. After 20 minutes on the oven, I think our pizzas are ready. The crust looks really good. I think I'll let it cool for some time and then I'm gonna cut.
My mom is just selfish that she wants to make a very good recipe, so come on, let's just do it. I know that we can